Hello editors of class nursery. Welcome to online classes of HPS. Are you ready with your books? Okay. Take out your English book, My Alphabet, writing book and your English notebook. And be ready with your pencil. Now open your notebook first. Letter I. A to H हमने बनाना सीख लिया है. We have already learned how to write A to H. Now come to I. I for ice cream, I for igloo, I for iron. I भी बहुत easy है. Please parents mark 4 dots on first and third line. 4 dots. Okay. Now start writing. 2 sleeping line and 1 standing line in the center. 2 sleeping line होगी और center में standing line. Mid में standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. Sleeping line on first and third line, standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. 2 sleeping line, 1 standing line. 2 sleeping line, 1 standing line. Okay. Complete this page. In your writing book, page number 26, I. इसमें आपको सिर्फ स्टैंडिंग लाइन ही दे रखी है. फर्स्ट टू थर्ड लाइन स्टैंडिंग लाइन. Trace on it properly, slowly. Complete this page. Now come to this page. Complete tracing work. Then on first to third line, standing. Mark the dots. See? Standing line only. Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gun, H for hen, hat, or I for ice cream, igloo. Okay. Now in this book, my alphabet book, page number 22, practice of A to H. Join the correct picture to each letter. अब ये पिक्चर किसकी है उससे ज्वाइन करना है. ये क्या है? Hat. What is this? Hat. Hat starts from letter H. Match it to H. Okay, now C for cock. A for aunt. E for engine. G for goat. F for frog. B for bat. B. And D for dog. Okay. Now I. 2 sleeping line. 1, 2, 3. 2 sleeping line. 1 standing line. Trace on this. Standing, sleeping. First, second, third. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I for ink, color this picture. I for insect. I for igloo. I for ink. This dot, from this dot, make sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Sleeping, standing, sleeping. Sleeping, standing. 2 sleeping, 1 standing. 2 sleeping, 1 standing. 2 sleeping, 1 standing. 2 sleeping, 1 standing. Please watch all videos again and again so that you clear your worry, clear your problems. Okay, this is all for now. Have a nice day.